Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, let's learn how to fix Temu app no internet connection and network error. So first thing first, this happens when you have a unstable Wi-Fi connection. Make sure that your Wi-Fi or your mobile data that you are using is strong. And if your Wi-Fi is not strong, you may go ahead and switch it to your mobile data or any of your other stronger Wi-Fi. Second thing you want to make sure is that you are using the latest version of Temu. For that, head over to your Play Store and then search for Temu. If you see open, that means your application is already updated. But in case you see update, tap on update and update your app. For the next step, head over to your settings, scroll all the way below and tap on apps. Here also you have to search for Temu, launch your app, scroll below, tap storage. Clear the cache, and it is also recommended that you clear the data. For that, make sure that you read all these, then tap delete. Come back onto app info page, tap on force stop and then OK. Now lastly, you have to restart your device. Once it is so, launch your Temu, get logged into your account, and this shall definitely fix your problem.